Hello and welcome to our course on color psychology. I'm so excited to have you here. Whether you're a designer, marketer, educator, or just someone fascinated by the power of colors, this course is designed to provide you with valuable insights and practical knowledge that you can apply in many areas of your life. So let's start with a simple question. Have you ever noticed how certain colors make you feel a particular way? Maybe you feel calm and relaxed in a room painted blue, or perhaps red makes you feel energized and even a bit hungry. These reactions aren't just coincidences, they are rooted in the fascinating field of color psychology. Throughout this course, we're going to explore why colors have such a profound impact on our emotions and behaviors. We'll delve into the science behind how we perceive colors and discuss how different hues can influence our moods, decisions, and even our productivity. Have you ever wondered why brands choose specific colors for their logos? Or why hospitals often have soothing green or blue walls? By the end of this course, you'll have a much deeper understanding of these choices. But this course isn't just about theory. I want to make sure you walk away with practical knowledge that you can use right away. Whether you're looking to enhance your marketing strategies, design more effective spaces, or simply understand how to use color to improve your personal well-being, we've got you covered. Let's think about a scenario. Imagine you're designing a workspace. What colors would you choose to foster creativity and focus? Or consider planning a marketing campaign. How would you decide on the color scheme to attract and engage your target audience? We'll explore these questions and more, providing you with concrete examples and case studies to illustrate how powerful the right use of color can be. I also want to make this course interactive and engaging. So as we go along, feel free to share your thoughts, experiences, and questions. What colors resonate with you the most? Have you ever had a strong reaction to a particular color? I'm eager to hear your stories and insights as we embark on this colorful journey together. By the end of this course, I promise you'll look at colors in a whole new light. You'll understand the hidden language of colors and be equipped with the tools to use this knowledge effectively, whether in your professional projects or personal life. So, let's get started. Are you ready to unlock the secrets of color psychology and discover how it can transform the way you see the world? I'm thrilled to have you with us, and I can't wait to dive into this vibrant topic together.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.